Again, this is the Wednesday night rock and blues ensemble. I'm Jim Duran, and tell all your friends about it, okay? Our rock and blues ensemble program. All right, here we go.
Oh, it's getting windy out here.
It's an old blues song called "Born Under a Bad Sign." Mine's Sagittarius. I guess that's a bad one, right?
If that's you, yes.
It must be bad if it's me. I got it. Okay, I figured it out.
1, 2.
I know like it.